Good morning friends. Today we will going to discuss about the exempt supply under GST. What the exempt supply says. Exempt supplies comprises of three types of supplies. One is supplies taxable at nil rate, means percentage is defined as 0%. Supplies that are wholly or partially exempted from GST, CIGST by way of notification amending section 11 of CGST Act or section 6 of IGST Act. Non-taxable supplies are defined under section 272 subsection 78 of the CGST Act. Supply that are not taxable under it, for example, alcoholic liquor for human consumption, which is not fall under the GST jurisdiction, so that would not be fall under the GST, so would not apply GST amount thereon. So tax need not be paid on these supplies. Input tax credit attributable to exempt supplies will not be taxable, will not be available for utilization or set off. Means if any supplies which has been exempted, no ITC thereon be available for utilization also, because if you are not selling it to final for further consumptions, further you are not transferring your ITC remain with you only, so it would not be possible for you to consume. So what is happening is that you are the final consumer, and you have to pay, and this is the exempt, so the GST would not be available. Even though what is the concept, if you are the final consumer under GST, then you have to pay the GST thereon, and get the ITC thereon. But you are transferring goods ownership to someone else, then only it would be your ITC would be transferred. Thank you. In this video we will come back in a new video and get back soon. Thank you.